cut that out there, and it really needs a bigger V, but that's too hard of plastic for the knife to cut. Hang on, baby. Take that apple and you'll catch it in that slot right there, and pull down, and it'll fall down in here. I originally seen the plans for a 2-liter bottle, and you put a sponge in it. That way you can catch 2 or 3 of them before you have to come down. If they're a long ways up, they'll hit that sponge and they'll bruise in the bottom of it. Ta-da!
I might have missed it.
Did you? That's alright. That wasn't a real good one. I had to cut
So I couldn't hardly see. Show Mama. Show me it. Oh, what is that?
My apples.
That's apples, yep.
Huh?